OnePlus is gearing up to launch its next big flagship, and this time, it's all about compact power with an unbeatable price. Meet the OnePlus 13T, the cheapest Snapdragon 8 Elite power phone in the 6.3-inch flagship category, set to shake up the market with aggressive pricing and a massive 6,000 mAh battery. According to recent leaks, the OnePlus 13T is expected to launch around May, bringing a sleek, iPhone 16-inspired design, and it aims to undercut premium rivals like the Xiaomi 15 and Oppo Find X8 Next. While it's a budget-friendly flagship, there are some compromises, including a dual camera setup instead of a triple lens system, and a standard optical fingerprint reader rather than the ultrasonic sensor found on the OnePlus 13. However, the biggest highlight is the battery. OnePlus is packing a huge 6,000 mAh battery, making it the largest in its class despite the phone's compact size. This could mean exceptional battery life, perfect for power users, gamers, and those who need all-day endurance. The OnePlus 13T is designed to be a performance beast at an unmatched price point, bringing flagship-level speed and efficiency to a wider audience. With Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood, expect lightning-fast performance, smooth multitasking, and top-tier gaming capabilities. While details about the dual camera setup remain unclear, speculation suggests that the secondary sensor could be either an ultra-wide or telephoto lens, ensuring a versatile photography experience. The iPhone 16-inspired design means we might see a boxier frame, flat edges, and a premium build, setting it apart from previous OnePlus models. The decision to keep an optical fingerprint reader instead of ultrasonic might be a cost-cutting measure, but OnePlus has a history of delivering fast and reliable biometric unlocking, so it shouldn't be a deal-breaker. With its compact size, flagship performance, and incredible battery life, the OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone releases of 2024, especially for those who prefer smaller devices without sacrificing power. If you're looking for a budget-friendly flagship alternative that doesn't compromise on battery, performance, and software experience, the OnePlus 13T could be the perfect choice. What do you think about OnePlus's approach with the 13T? Is it a game changer in the compact flagship space? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech trends. Only on TechVerse.